don't sleep enough without.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be doing my hair as by the title. I'll be teaching you guys how to do your own hair. So first of all, we start by combing your hair, making it an afro. If you want to stretch it, this is the right time to do it. If you had washed it or whatever method you use. The second thing that I normally do is I go in with my coconut and castor oil. I mix them both for them to be efficient and effective. I don't know if I'm the only one who does this, but I have a hair bag that I normally keep every leftover hair or new hairs that I have. So at first I wanted to do braids, then I figured that I only have this space and other just short ones, colored ones that I didn't want. So I had to change my mind and actually look for my old braids that I did, because they're the only ones that were there. So yeah, let's do this guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. This is everything that you're going to be using while braiding and while parting the hair. So the first thing you start to do is section your hair however the case works for you. So I start by sectioning my hair into half, then I hold the front hair. I start braiding from the back, and I'm just comfortable doing that because I feel like it's easier that way. So I was trying a new method. I'll let you guys see. this is just a bit of a little tutorial on how to use a crochet on your hair. So I'll let you guys see. Yes, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share this video. Don't forget to hit the plus button to get notified every time I post. Thank you. As you guys have noticed, I've not really touched the hair at the front because I avoid plaiting them nowadays because they easily get cut. They're so soft, not really soft, but they, I don't know what's wrong with them, so I just leave them out to put the edges in. And let me just show you guys how the braids look at the back. As you can see, they're actually quite neat. That's so pretty. And yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video.